Alright, so this next video is about ionic radius, which is a slightly different flavor of radius, but it's pretty close. So as we know, radius is simply the size of an ion. An ion, though, is something a little bit different. So we have to think about an ion as a charged atom. So a charged atom. Atoms can be positive, negative, or neutral. So if our atom is charged, we call it an ion. So we can either have cations or, well, cations are positive. How do you remember that? Well, cats are always happy, so they are cations. That's why the T is made so directly a positive sign. So an atom can become a cation if they lose or lost electrons. I'm going to start referring to electrons as E minus. It's a little easier to write out. But if my atom instead gains electrons, becomes a negative ion or an anion. An anion, simply I remember it like this. I look at the N and I can write negative down that line, and that's if my atom has gained electrons. So if I think about my cation, and if I lose electrons, I become smaller. And for my anion, if I gain electrons, I get bigger. A very simple trend. On the periodic table, it's a little bit more complex. We don't need to get there right now, but if you understand this setup, you're on your way to understanding ions and their radius.